Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Webull. Leverage allows you to trade with more capital than you deposit, amplifying potential gains and losses. Webull provides this through margin accounts, letting you borrow funds against your existing assets. It's crucial to understand the mechanics before diving in, as it involves significant risk. We'll cover the essentials to get you started safely. To qualify for a Webull margin account, you generally need a minimum account balance of $2,000. You also must apply for and receive approval from Webull, which involves reviewing your financial situation and trading experience. It's vital to grasp that margin trading carries increased risk, including the potential to lose more than your initial investment. Ensure you meet all criteria before proceeding. Once approved, you can use leverage to execute trades. For day trades, Webull typically allows you to use up to 4 times your cash buying power. For overnight positions, this leverage is usually reduced to 2 times your cash. Always be mindful of your margin maintenance requirements, which dictate the minimum equity you must maintain in your account to avoid a margin call. Effective risk management is paramount when using leverage. Always be prepared for potential margin calls, which occur when your account equity falls below the maintenance margin. Implementing stop-loss orders can help limit your downside risk on individual trades. Remember, while leverage can amplify gains, it also magnifies losses. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.